morning, children. Today I'm going to take a lesson about can't climb trees anymore. Maybe the person decided not to climb the trees, I think, because can't. Starting only can't climb trees anymore. That is our lesson. Okay, ma? He stood on the grass verge by the side of the road and looked over the garden wall at the old house. It had not changed much. The old house built with the solid blocks of granite wasn't changed at all. But there was a new outhouse and there was fewer trees. He was glad to see that the jock tree still stood at the side of the building, casting its shade on the wall. He remembered his grandmother saying, "A blessing rests on the house where the shadow of a tree falls." And so the present owners must also be receiving the tree's blessings. Old spot where he stood there had once been a turnstile. That means turnstile means moving gate, but here the person was remember when he was in that house. He was looking like that only. He was remembering where the grandmother sat, how grandmother talked, what about the jock tree. So he was remembering everything. But here one thing he observed, the gate was a changed one. So in those days the gate was just like a moving gate, like only once will go. Like this it will be moving no more. In those days the gate was there, but the gate only changed. The jock tree was there, under the shadow benches also there. We are sitting there. Like that he was remembering and looking like this only. It was this is the gate. He was outside and looking like this only. So when he was looking, one girl came. "What are you looking at?" The girl was asking, "What are you looking at?" It was a disembodied. Disembodied means a sound here, but the speaker was not known. The sound was clear, somewhere I heard, but the speaker not seen. So disabled. Disabled means somewhere I saw. Like that, the girl was thinking. Moments later, a girl stood framed between dark red hollyhocks, staring at the man. Hollyhocks means a kind of plants which will give the full of the flowers. He was remembering the fruit, the flowers also there, jackfruit there, bench was there. But some changes, a little changes are there, but simply it was like that only. Like that, the person was thinking, looking at the old house. Then she was only 12 and 13 years girl was speaking to the man who was looking at the house. Slim and dark with lovely eyes and long black hair. That was the appearance of the little girl. She was 13 years old. She has a long hair and talking to who was the new person looking at the building. "I'm looking at the house," he said. The girl asked, "No, what are you looking at?" But the man said, "I was looking at the old house." "Why do you want to buy it?" "Is it your house?" "Is my father's." "And what does your father do?" "He is only a colonel." So the girl was interviewing the man who was the not familiar, unknown person, but she was talking in a polite manner. "What is your father?" "My father was a colonel." That is a rank in army. That is a rank, colonel. "Then only a colonel?" "Well, he should have been a brigadier by now." Brigadier also, there is a one type of the rank. The man burst out laughing. The man was laughing. When he given the answers to the little girl, he was laughing. "It's not funny," she said. "Even mummy says he should have been a brigadier." It was on the tip of his tongue to make a witty remark. Witty means humorous, funny. Witty means humorous. Then Tenali stories are witty and humorous, no ma? So this man also giving a funny answer. They stood on either side of the wall, appraising each other. Appraising means they Here the person was outside, the girl was inside. So while they were talking to each other, they were understanding. Appraising means understanding. Appraising means understanding. Both were talking and understanding this man's mentality, and this man also understanding the girl's mentality. Well, she said finally, if you don't want to buy the house, when what are you looking at? You don't want to buy the house, no? Again, why are you looking? What are you looking at? Like that, the girl was asking. I used to live here once. I used to live here only once. Oh, 25 years ago. 25 years ago, I was there. Only once I lived here. Then again what the man saying, as a boy, when I was a boy, as a young man when I grew up, and then my grandmother died. As a boy, as a young man, and then my grandmother died in that house only. But it back now, but you don't have the money. If you want to buy the house, but you are looking not like a rich man, but you don't have the money, how can you buy? Like that the girl was asking that man. She was silent for a while, taking in this information. Then she said, and you would like to buy it back now, but you don't have the money. You don't have the money. How can you buy? The man saying, no, I was not thinking of buying. I know I was not thinking, I don't have any money to buy this house. Simply I was looking. Then only 3 years, she smiled. She would be eating a melon. She was eating the watermelon. There is juicy here and here also. There's a following the juicy part. Eating a melon, and there was still juice in the corner of her mouth. Still juice was in the corner of the mouth. So because she was 12 years old only, she was eating and talking to the man. Would you like to come in and look more closely? So she was welcoming the man. Why? Because he told once I was, as a boy, as a young man, my grandmother also died. So maybe she got some impression about the person. So do you want to come in? Like that, the girl was asking the stranger. Would your parents mind if your parents never think no? No, my parents never think like that. Like that, she invited the man to come inside and wanted to see all the places where he was, what he would done. Like that, he was remembering when he inside the house. Then, oh, just middle age, but feeling young today. And to prove it, he decided he would climb over the wall. So, though he was a old one, he, as if he was a young one, he climbed the tree like a circus man, like that. So he jumped like this, like a circus man. But he does not know how to climb the tree. But here, as if he knows how to climb. So he jumped over the wall, alright, but had to rest there, breathing heavily. So he jumped over the wall, was taking the breath heavily and fast. Middle-aged man on the flying drape, he muttered to himself. So he himself was, oh, I'm a middle-aged man, but I'm looking like a young man. Why? Because I climbed the wall, no, like that. He was thinking himself like that. He slithered down into a flower bed, shattering the stem of a holly book. So when he was looking like this, he saw the flowers, where he sat, where he was eating, where he done, where he was doing, all those things he was remembering, all he was eating the past days, because that is his house. Then let's just sit there. I said, I don't want to go inside. I don't want to go inside, but we'll sit in the wooden chair under the shadow of the tree. Like the man asking the girl, both sit together. Then they started to talk something. They were silent for some time. The man closed his eyes and remembered other times. So when they were sitting, there was a silence between these two, and was asking something. See, the music of piano. He was remembering something. The music of piano. My piano also there. I play the piano. Then the chimming of a grandfather's clock. Clock also there. The constant twitter of bud greens and mid parrots. The parrots also there of the veranda. His grandfather cranking up the old. My grandfather was repairing the parrots also there, the clock also there. So he was remembering all the piano and what are the things are inside of the house. He was remembering. I used to climb the jackfruit tree. He said, opening his eyes, and was telling, I used to climb the jackfruit. Beside the house there was a jackfruit. What the grandmother said, beside the jackfruit tree, we'll give the blessing like that. My grandmother used to say like that. Maybe who are the owners of this house now, they are also getting the blessing. Why? Because jackfruit beside the house, and that he was remembering what the grandmother said. Then I used to climb the jackfruit. He said, opening his eye, I didn't like the jackfruit. Though, do you? No, I don't like the jackfruit. Do you like that? He was asking. It's all right. The pickles. Do you want to climb it again? My parents' own mind. You want to climb again? My parents never think like that. You want to climb? Then you climb like that. The girl asking the man to climb the tree. No, not after climbing the garden wall. Let's just sit here for a few minutes and talk. No, I don't want to climb the tree. We'll sit here and talk sometime. Like that, the person unable to climb the tree was escaping and sitting there and wanted to talk to each other. Then I mentioned the jack tree because it was my favorite place. Do you see that the thick branch stretching out over the roof of way along it? There is a small hollow in which I used to keep some of the treasure. Have you seen? So in the jack tree, I used to sit there. I like this jackfruit place. In the jackfruit, there was a hollow place was there. Hollow means like this. Hollow. I used to keep some treasury inside of the hollow. Like that, the person saying, I don't want to climb the tree, but I used to keep some treasure in the hollow. Like that, he was telling to the girl, what kind of treasures? Treasury means some valuable things, no? What kind of a treasure? Like that, the girl asked him. Oh, nothing very valuable. Marbles, I would want. A book I was not supposed to read. A few old coins I would collect it. Old coins, what I collected, I kept there. Things came and went. I was a bit of a crook, collecting bright things and putting them away, collecting the bright things and keeping in the hollow. That is my habit, like that the person saying. There was my grandfather's iron cross. Well, not my grandfather's exactly. Not my grandfather. There was a iron cross. That was not my grandfather. Then how he collected? Because he was British, and iron cross was a German decoration awarded for bravery during the war. During the war, who showed the bravery, they will give the iron cross. So that iron cross kept in the hollow. Then, dead or alive? I beg your pardon. Oh, you mean the German? I never asked. Dead, I suppose, or perhaps he was a prisoner. I never asked grandfather, isn't that stranger? I never asked all those things like that. You know how you are asking me. I never asked my grandfather. My grandfather kept the iron cross in the hollow. That was not my grandfather. German people given that iron cross who showed the bravery. So like that my grandfather got like that. He was explaining the iron cross. And the iron cross, do you still have it? Do you still have it? Is there still it is? Like that the girl asking. No, he said, looking her in the eye, keeping like this, looking like this. No, it was not there. I left in the jackfruit tree. I left in the jackfruit tree. Do you have? No, I kept there. You left it in the tree? Yes, I was so excited at that time, packing and saying goodbye to people and thinking about the ship. I was going to still on that. I simply forgot all about it. So when I was leaving the place, I forgotten where I kept the iron cross. Like the man was saying to the girl. After I stop tomorrow, I'll continue.